I know many of people have waited many a moons for these shoes right here. Let me bring them to the frame. I personally didn't get these shoes on the initial pre-order. I waited and waited and waited, and I finally got them right here. They released at the pop-up shop in New York on the December 26th, and I got my hands on the pair. I know they also released in the LA pop-up shop, but we from New York, we don't, whatever. Also, this video is sponsored by me. I just put out an album called 129. It's like really aggressive hip hop. It's the real stuff, not that mumble stuff. So if you're into that, you might like my album. All the background music from this video is from that album. This shoe, and excuse the box. This was the last box they had. This shoe right here, controversial, damn near infamous, illustrious, I would like to say, the Reves Paris Air Kai shoe. But first, let's get into the box. Even though the box is kind of damaged, fire detail, the Reves Paris wings logo. On the other pair, this is the New York pair. I did a video for this one too, so you can go check that out. But the New York pair, it doesn't have that that Reves wings logo in the middle. This box is a little bit better than the initial box that they started off with, but they're still getting started, and they're already popping up with boxes like this when Jordan Brand and Adidas just throw these regular ass boxes together and give it to us. And not only that, when you take the lid off the box, it comes with dust bag. Big ass dust bag, logo, the size, comes with a poster. Not no flimsy ass. This is a very high quality poster. I don't understand the excuse of why other shoe companies don't put as much care, and this is like billion-dollar companies. They don't put as much care into their presentation of their products. But a damn near indie brand, black owned, might I add. Shout out to the brothers out there. They put so much care and so much quality into these shoes, and they just starting out. Like, they don't have the money that Nike has, that Adidas has, and this is no shot to them. I mean, it kind of is. But it's like, when you see what quality is, when you see a company that cares, this is what you get. You get shit like this. And I know there's a lot of controversy about stealing the Jordan 1 silhouette and just throwing a lightning bolt instead of a swoosh. I personally think it's fire. I think the lightning bolt it's a subtle yet expressive touch. The aged vintage soles they have on here, beautiful. They could have just did white, but they did it. Comes with this little card on the side. It's numbered. Like I said, this is one of the first pairs they did. They did this pair and they did the white and red. I didn't get the white and red. They didn't have my size, so I was just like, whatever with that. I just got these and the New York pair, the orange ones. Man, let's get into it. The shoe comes unlaced like most Jordan 1s. The orange pair doesn't come unlaced. It comes fully laced up with the white laces, and it has an extra orange set of laces. It appears that this pair does not have an extra set of laces. It's just the black. Yeah, it's just the black, which is fine. I mean, being that this was the first one and it also came with the dust bag and the poster and this little card right here, they gave more than enough to where they didn't need white laces. And white laces, these type of white laces specifically, can be found damn near anywhere. Starting off with the sole, like I said, it's that aged vintage type of outsole. The upper is pretty much like a Jordan silhouette, except for the wings logo is replaced with the Reves logo. I think this shoe is slightly, maybe a little smidge taller than regular Air Jordan 1s, which is cool. I kind of prefer to wear Jordan 1s, or I like to see people wear Jordan 1s with the pants covering the top part. So that's probably how I'm going to wear these too. Lightning bolt, like I said. It's basically a black toe Jordan 1, but their own spin on it. I personally think it's fire. I know a lot of people don't like this trend of a lot of people taking the Jordan 1 silhouette and throwing whatever logo on it and calling it an original shoe. I get it, but for one, the marketing on this shoe amazing. And it's not too much. That's what I like about this one. It's not too much. I've seen the Statue of Liberty. I've seen middle fingers. I've seen just the most random things you could put on the shoe. They put on that silhouette. But this one does a good job at not pushing over that point of corny and keeping it on the side of classy. At least that's how I think of it. If you have a different opinion, please let me know in the comment section below. Yeah, more detail with this shoe. I'll take out this little thing right here. You can see, like I said, it's numbered right here. I have number 1355 and 2207. They have the little Reves on the back tab right here. Pretty fire insole. No pun intended, because I think that's actually fire. Dope. Just dope shoe. Now, I haven't tried this pair on, and I don't want to, but the orange pair, the New York version, definitely more comfortable than the Jordan 1. I don't know if they put like extra padding in it, or I don't know what it is. Maybe it's the leather. This one might be different because I know this is the first one they did, but definitely the newer one. Great. Yeah, they're doing a good job with these, bro. I actually want to see more of this. I know they have the patent leather breads and the royals coming out, and they have a few more colorways coming out. They just did like a 2-pack. The fact that this is a black owned brand, you know, they got my support all the way, bro. I personally like this. I forgot to mention the little Air Kai logo on the bottom of the shoe. Fire. Just fire. So, Kai, I did 2 videos for you, bro. You got my support. I'm giving you shoes a fucking 10 out of 10, bro. I know it's just a Jordan 1 silhouette. I get it, but I like it. I really like it. I don't see any flaw with this. I think this gets the pass. It's a lot better than a lot of the other people who do it. They aren't the first to do this, but they're one of the better ones. I like the one in the chambers. Those are cool too, but for my money, I'm gonna go ahead and put it on these. If you enjoyed the content, like, comment, subscribe. You know the vibes. If you want a review of the orange pair that's also on my channel, go watch that. Support me, bro, because I'm gonna keep on copping fly shoes, and I'm gonna keep on reviewing them for you. And you know, we're gonna grow together. We got this, you know? We got this. Yeah.